Hey, Spike. Today I want to talk about Bitcoin. I know this is not a crypto channel. However, I do think Bitcoin is playing a bigger role in mainstream investing. Therefore, I definitely think it's very important to maybe consider putting a little bit of Bitcoin in your portfolio, since I do believe it's probably going to be one of the best performing asset classes over the next decade. So we look over the past 5 days, Bitcoin has begun taking off. It's been sort of below the $50,000 level for almost like 2 weeks, and it finally broke through $50,000, and it zoomed right up to 54,400 where it's sitting right now, and it looks like it may make a charge at its all-time high, which is about $58,000. So that's why I wanted to put it on your radar. I think it's going to be doing really well, and I do think that Bitcoin probably by the end of the month is going to break through $58,000 and continue to move higher. So one chart I want to show you, if you're unfamiliar with Bitcoin, this is called the stock to flow chart, and this is a live look at the chart. So basically, this chart was created by someone on Twitter called Plan B, which I think you should follow him. Just look up Plan B on Twitter. And this chart sort of follows the projected price of Bitcoin according to the scarcity of Bitcoin. You know, there are only 21 million Bitcoins that are going to be mined. A lot of those, 20% of Bitcoin is projected to have been lost forever. So the real inventory of Bitcoin is probably going to be closer to like the all-time inventory is probably going to be about 16 million. And the circulating inventory, the number of Bitcoin that's just available on the market, is even smaller, around 3 million, because a lot of Bitcoin is being held in cold storage. Anyway, because of all those factors, the scarcity of Bitcoin, Plan B has been able to sort of project the price of Bitcoin out. He came out with this Plan B chart about 3 years ago, and it's been dead on accurate. And basically, this chart projects that Bitcoin is going to reach over $100,000 by late August of this year. Now, right now, the chart projects the current price of Bitcoin at 36,000. Right now, it's at 54,000. However, sometimes Bitcoin will move back down and revert back to the mean. Sometimes it'll move higher, but it stays along this line. So it looks like it's very possible that Bitcoin could almost double in price over the next April, May, June, July, over the next 5 months. And it's going to be very hard to find stocks, try to find a stock that can double in the next 5 months. So that's why I think you should definitely look at Bitcoin. And according to this Plan B model, Bitcoin, once it hits its $100,000 mark, will actually stay stagnant for about 3 years and then begin to move higher in the year 2024 and move up to $1 million. So that's just something to keep in mind. I should definitely think you should check out. Just do a Google search of a Plan B stock to flow chart for Bitcoin, and you'll find this chart, because I think it's very useful and very valuable. That being said, I do think if you're looking to get something get an asset or an investment that could possibly double before the end of the year, I would definitely put Bitcoin up on that list, because right now, according to the stock to flow model, which has been extremely accurate, it looks like Bitcoin may be able to almost double by late August. So just keep that in mind. So I'll probably do more periodic updates on Bitcoin, but I just wanted to let you know about that, because I know it's a stock channel, but it's very good to, wherever you see good investment opportunities, I want to point them out to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.